and the pressure is dropping, and then when it drops to around 0, it turns on back again. So I fixed all the leaks, and there is an invisible leak, and I think it's the high pressure spring, which I'm going to change now. It's supposed to turn on any minute now. Yes. Okay, that annoys me a lot, so I'm going to fix it. First, open the shell. Detaching water supply. 27 socket. And the spring is all rusty. That's the spear. It's also longer. Let's have a look. Okay. Placing this back. It was in a very bad shape. Time to test it. Looks like the situation is even worse. As it didn't help, I'm going to try and fix this part. Apparently this requires also some fixing. Might be an issue here. A ball that sits here. I'm going to clean this also from all the rust. Doesn't have too much, but anyway. Looks so much better now. I'm going to place a harder spring. Looks like the pressure is not dropping anymore. Now everything is alright.